If you've ever stressed about whether your carry-on will pass United's size check, you're not alone. Let's break down their rules and make sure you're ready to fly without any hiccups. United's carry-on size limits. United Airlines allows a carry-on bag up to 22 by 14 by 9 inches. That's including the wheels and handles. If your bag doesn't fit in the overhead bin or under the seat, it'll be gate-checked, which could mean extra fees, especially if you're flying basic economy. Personal item policy. You're also allowed a personal item, like a backpack or laptop bag, as long as it's within 17 by 10 by 9 inches. It must fit under the seat in front of you. Remember, basic economy only allows one personal item, so pack smart. Additional items you can bring. Besides your carry-on and personal item, United allows extra items like a jacket, an umbrella, reading materials, or even food bought at the airport. Assistive devices and FAA-approved child seats are also welcome. Liquid rules. Traveling with toiletries. Follow TSA 311 rule. Each liquid must be in a 3.4-ounce container or smaller, all packed in a single quart-sized bag. Larger containers belong in checked baggage. Checked baggage overview. If you need to check a bag, know the weight limits: £50 for economy and up to £70 for premium classes or mileage plus members. Oversized and overweight bags will rack up additional fees, so pack wisely. Oversized and overweight bags. Bags exceeding 115 inches length plus width plus height or weighing over 100 pounds aren't accepted except for musical instruments or assistive devices. Make sure to double-check before you pack. Tips to avoid issues. Want a hassle-free experience? Stick to the size limits and choose lightweight, compact luggage. And if you're traveling basic economy, pack essentials in your personal items since carry-ons aren't included. Final thoughts. United is pretty serious about their carry-on rules, but with a little prep, you can avoid unexpected fees. Measure your bags, follow the rules, and you'll be all set for a stress-free trip. Safe travels, and see you in the skies. Found this helpful? Hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. See you in the next video.